Greetings, massive and crew. Welcome back to this YouTube channel where every day, 5 a.m. Jamaica time, a reading is shared with you from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is ANYA-JEAN WILSON, and today we're going to delve into the book of Luke in the series, The Teachings of Jesus. But before we do, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss nothing we are going over here. So every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Which one of you we a father would have gonna pick me one snake when they ask you for one fish? Or which one of you we gonna pick me scorpion when they ask for egg? If you so wicked and still know how to go on a picnic nice sitting, one of the things on the Father up in heaven, we even more than ready to give the Holy Spirit to anybody who asks it. This is God's word. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.